The Lord be with you. Happy Sunday, everyone. Today is what we call Epiphany Sunday. For some, they call it Three Kings. But this is all about God's manifestation of Himself to the world. The baby-born Jesus revealed Himself to the world. And that is through the wise men from the East. Well, traditionally, we know them as Melchor, Gaspar, and Balthasar. This tells us one thing, that we have an inclusive God. God is for everyone. The salvation being offered by the baby Jesus is for everyone who will come, who will worship our Lord Jesus Christ. Secondly, this tells us that once we search for God, once we have found our Lord, there is an inevitable transformation that may happen in our lives. I always think this way: what if Herod himself searched for Jesus? I would think that probably if he will be able to find the baby Jesus in a manger, simple, poor, weak, humble, he would never consider this baby as a threat to his power and throne. That's why God revealed Himself to the world in a weak and in a humble child, so that we will be attracted to Him. Because how can we be attracted to glory, to a very overpowering presence of God? That's always be frightening for some. But come, look at Jesus, humble baby, and certainly we shall be attracted to Him. When we are searching for Jesus, and when we are adoring God in our life, and after that, when we offer whatever we have and we change the ways of our life, only then we can be called wise men and women. Like the Magi from the East. They searched, they adored, they offered gifts, and they changed their ways. God bless.